लग गई यहाँ पे। लगा दी। Very nice.
उसकी कैक्टस मैंने पहली बार देखी ऐसे प्लांट्स। अरे कैक्टस गार्डन वहाँ था बहुत।
So this tree is from India, planted by Indian Prime Minister when he visited in 1960.
The place worshipping Buddha.
हाँ वो बुद्धा टेम्पल सब जगह जैसे होता है।
बुद्धा टेम्पल बहुत बढ़िया था। बुद्धा टेम्पल।
statue of the Buddha, different types. On the top level, three statue of the Buddha.
ये बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे ये सारे जो फ्रूट्स हैं ये एक महीना जो जैसे ये हफ्ते भर तक रखते हैं, वो पीछे ग्रीन वाला फ्रूट है वो 2 महीने तक रखते हैं, उसे खाते नहीं है ये लोग, और उसके बाद फिर बांट देते हैं प्रसाद जैसे।
तो 2 महीने।
चलो चलो। हाँ
traditional Vietnamese dresses.
Oh,
Yeah.
हाँ?
The traditional dress like a Joe sari. Yeah.
कुर्ती प्लाजो।
ऐसे ये जैसे वहाँ पर राजघाट दिखाने ले आते हैं।
हाँ और क्या। See, this is a Vietnamese loom.
फोटो खिंचवा ले बाद में देखी मैं खाने में।
ओके ओके, टिकट लेने जा रही है।
बटरफ्लाई टिकट।
Mirror of Cain। अर्जुन की मछली देखो यहाँ कैसी है। These are crickets.
ये क्या आवाज है?
Crickets।
एक मिनट की आवाज है क्या ये?
बहुत सारे crickets।
Have them in school, but they also have to test.
Ah.
If they were good student, the children, they can be studying. If
यश, सीधा होके नहीं उतरा जाएगा, ऐसे ही उतरना है। हाँ नहीं दिलाए।
क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
लैंटर्न्स।
नहीं, क्या?
बोलो।
नहीं, नहीं, खाली।
कल की दिन तो आपने डाली नहीं।
कार में कहीं बोटिंग करवाई थी ना ऐसी।
का बैग।
हाँ मेरे पास।
नानी नानी ऐसा लग रहा है हनुमान निकलेगा हैं? ऐसा लग रहा है हनुमान निकलेगा। अरे भाई साहब कभी ज़्यादा ही चौड़ा हो गया सर। अरे कभी
पता अपने फ्रेंड्स को, बट पीछे की वॉल्यूम हमारी हटा दी हो।
तो ये भेजूंगा ना सीधा।
320 मीटर की ये लंबी।
ओके झुकना पड़ेगा
ध्यान से।
यार, इतनी गर्मी है, बहुत गर्मी बंद भी है।
अब नहीं लुढ़क चल। हाँ आ रहा है, दोनों का अलग ले लेती बेटी वैसे। वीडियो डाला है तूने?
हाँ। और मेहनत का काम है भैया। अरे बोट राइड जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगी हमारी।
ले उनको बोट का बैलेंस नहीं बिगड़ जाए कहीं।
एक
अचार में पड़ता है ना खाना। कई कलर के थे, 5-6, येलो, ब्लू, पर्पल।
Okay, give it in the right.
अरे देखो देखो कब वीडियो चालू है। वीडियो चालू है।
मेरा मोबाइल किधर है?
मेरे फोन पर्स में।
नीचे पत्ते के नीचे।
अच्छा हाँ वो देखो ना उसका मुंह।
ये आ गई एक जेरी।
मार दे
कैसे मारेगा?
ऐसे पत्थर फेंक के।
ये तो वो कर रही है, ऑक्सीजन ले रही है ये।
नानी घर मैं भी साथ दे देता अपना हैं?
कच्चे हैं पके हैं ये? देख ये छोड़ के पूरे लाल वाले बीच में। खाने वाले हैं कि नहीं इसे देखो। खाने के हैं कि
बहुत खट्टा है।
बर्ड हाउस
बर्ड हाउस।
अंदर डालो कैमरा प्लीज।
टाइगर के रही
आ जाओ।
đang còn khách đây.
Hello, sir. Kami tuh, Ban.
Đây bé. Masak. Oh, we're going for lunch now.
Yeah, now we can have lunch. We'll have lunch first.
Happy.
Mày ơi, con phải làm cả.
मेरी तरफ देखो. We have a tofu soup.
Oh, nice. Tofu soup.
सर्दियों में तो ये जगह जहर हो जाएगा. ज़्यादा दिखाओ सामने.
Pino mấy ngày nay bỏ sớm rồi. Tí là mình lại đi ra cơ. Đấy, từ xa thế này.
ये तो बहुत छोटी. अच्छा ये ऊपर है ये तो. ये उसमें.
Nó hiện tại rồi
ये
kia.
Hmm.
पत्थरों में भी पानी गिर गिर के अपने आप अलग डिजाइन बन जाती है. पूरे प्लांट होंगे फ्लावर जैसे बनने दी उधर.
Hmm.
बिल्कुल वो हाथ से ऐसा लगा है. अपने आप पानी से इस तरीके से डिजाइन बनती है. पूरे पत्थर है. ये टूट के अपन रगड़ने के लिए ले जाते हैं ना हाथ पर. मम्मी में पहले वहाँ से समुद्र से उठा के ले आते थे हम तो पहले.
समुद्री फैन वो अलग चीज होती है.
नहीं ये पत्थर पूरा पत्थर. तो पहले तो छोटी थी ना तो वहाँ से मेरे उठा लाते थे चपाटी से जाते थे यहीं आ जाते थे. वो समुद्र फैन वो अलग रहता है. वो तो टूट जाता है पूरा होता है. ये ना पानी गिर के पत्थर के अंदर छेद हो जाते हैं ना उससे.
बुलबुल फोटो खिंचवाओ फटाफट.
बारिश होती है ना उससे कट जाता है. हवा से कटते हैं जी पत्थर. नेचुरल है इसको पड़ती है ना. रॉक से ही ऐसे नेचुरल पड़ती है.
दूसरी तरफ करो ना। वो बेचारा जा
अच्छा कुछ मूवमेंट करो, हाय करो। ओके आ रहा
साथ में रहेंगे। ये आ ही नहीं रहा है पूरा यहाँ से।
Don't forget touch your finger for the lucky.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. I'll do that.
Sorry.
वापस वहीं से चले जाएंगे ये तो।
Okay.
ले ली थी वहां से। चाक चाक वीडियो है वीडियो। वीडियो है वीडियो। ले लेती हूँ ना, पड़ी हूँ ना।
शाम को आ जाएंगे। चल 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 चल।
अलग अलग किस्म के वो पूरा कोकोनट है।
You so good, right?
Thẻn biết. Thẻn thấy con nào thẻn luôn đi Ngọc. Thẻn luôn đi
Có thể này không rồi. Chả không thể đấy chứ. Yeah. Thôi cái mưa này mà chả vô đích đi, vô đích ghiền đi, mưa này không đầy quá.
फोन बज रहा है
उसका
Vô.
डांस करवा रहा है
자, 여러분 준비하세요. 준비하세요. 갑니다. 자, 다 같이 멘트 주세요.
तुझे करना है 100,000 देना पड़ेगा ये करवाने के लिए।
करना है मुझसे
हाँ करेगा
4,000
100। हाँ
4,000 हो गए 400
400।
चलो मैं तो करूँ मजा आया इंटरेस्ट है
यश पकड़ के बैठ।
अच्छे से कैसे पकड़ ले
क्लोज क्लोज।
बना रहा है वीडियो के लिए
हाँ
दो बैठना दिखाई दे दो हैं वो ये तो अलग है मजा ये आगे उसके चेहरे पे मम्मा कर रहा है
Yeah.
नहीं आई नहीं आई।
हाँ ये तो बहुत बड़ा कीकड़ा है
Yeah.
क्या हो गया बहुत
He
है।
knows। वो भाग गया अंदर।
भाग गया
No. Chale.
ऊपर भी है यहाँ पर
देर
Yeah.
नो उसने पकड़ लिया ऐसे ही डब्बे हाथ से।
वो हाथ से पकड़ लिया। हाँ। वो ऊपर नहीं आ रहा कूद के। इसको दिखा दे। उधर है कितने? ये ले, हाँ एक और है, ये रहा। ये रहा, इधर पौधे भी कितने लग रहे हैं, ये इधर सामने बहुत है, ऊपर चलते चले जा रहे हैं कितने सारे इधर तो। पूरे देख कितने लाइन से लग रहे हैं।
ओ ये देखो ये देखो ये देखो।
अब जो ये
कितने सारे ये इधर देखो, इधर कितने टू मच। ओ पूरे बहुत है इधर तो। निकल गया आगे वो
पूरे पीछे।
सच बात है क्यों। वो पक गया है वो शायद पीछे वाले में।
नूडल्स बहुत अच्छे हैं।
आ गई तो उसने 15 का बोला है, 20 पे आ गई थी ना वो।
हाँ
डॉलर की
डॉलर नहीं, हाँ
ये लालटेन जा रही है जला जला। देख के भाई, ये तो बहुत डेंजरस है भाई।
अगली बार ऐसी बोट हो तो आप उतरना नहीं।
पकड़ ले बोल इसको।
हाँ
लाइटिंग करके नहीं दिया इसने जला के।
अभी देगा सेंटर में जाके। यश इसके सामने आना।
नहीं तू कह रहा है ना व्यू मिल रहा है, नानी आ रही है बीच में तो मतलब
नानी को भी व्यू मिल रहा होगा ये कह रहा है। उसकी फोटो
सीधे बांध देना चाहिए। जब ना पटाखे खड़ा करके निकाल
क्या हुआ? क्या हवा चल रही है ना?
Ở đây với thằng ơi, đi hai chở có lị phồn không phải? Vậy.
ये रॉ नहीं बोल पाता ना, वो मेरा नहीं बोल पाता है देवांश। रॉ शब्द नहीं बोल पाता है।
ओके
अब आऊँ
वो बोलेगा तब चलाएंगे। हाँ डाल यश, तू डाल सबसे पहले।
डाल दिया इसने?
नहीं मेक अ विश। कोई विश मांगो।
वो तो भी नहा रही है, वही है लेडी, है ना?
हाँ
वो मोटी वाली थी।
हाँ। हाँ तो ये एगशेल को जलाते हैं ऐसा कलर बनाने के लिए। वाइट होता है ना, तो ये जलाते हैं इसको।
येलो भी रहता है, येलो होते हैं, रेड कलर
अभी उसने मुझे बताया ये जला के बनाए हैं। होते हैं अलग अलग कलर की, पर ये डक वाले अंडे जो होते हैं ना उससे बनाते हैं, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा हार्ड होता है।
अंदर देख के आऊँ।
आ जाओ।
A lot of work. After that, they will filling body polishing. Okay. Until the perfect flat. Then, following.
हाँ तो अंडे का तुम टोकरा है ना काट देंगे
Yes, you can. Yes.
अंदर मना कर रहा है क्या नहीं होता कोई बात नहीं चले ये ऐसा काला करके देते हैं पेंट और फिर उसको घिस-घिस से साफ करा देंगे मेहनत तो बहुत मेहनत वाला काम है कितना हो जाता है हाँ हाँ
Bombshells here, bombshells to make the spike in the trap. And we also recycle the undisclosed bomb. You know when the American drop the bombs, some bombs not exploded. So we also recycle. We use it to make the landmine in the jungle. We try to cut it and take the gunpowder out. You know, but this trap is the crazy trap. No other countries in the world did the same thing like Vietnam. Because if you are not careful, the bomb is gonna be exploded, and you will use in Vietnam war, in Vietnam jungle. Okay, let's go like that.
What is this?
Rocket launcher. Rocket launcher. You put this what's the bomb?
Thompson Uzi. That's a Uzi, I think. No, that's a Thompson. Thompson. Oh, they're from right?
हाँ हाँ देखो राइस की पेंटिंग यश राइट साइड पे
Đi đâu? City? Saigon City.
Saigon.
Ho Chi Minh. Top mom, no.
Right.
Look down, lower. Okay.
हो देयर
Saigon
Okay,
here.
so
It's
basically this
still
is
the
going to
old
be
name,
the
you see?
models of the tunnel.
We
that
went to
visited
the
today.
northwest
So like I
here
said,
this
3 levels,
morning.
bunkers, tunnel pad,
We are
tunnel
now
pad.
here.
Right.
We
So,
are now in
one thing you notice
the
is
red
that
zone.
on the first level, we don't
This is
have
the
any
tunnel
tunnels
system, the
at all.
black line, you
So
see?
basically,
No children or commanders. What is this?
ट्रैप्स
Traps, tunnel traps. For the tunnel rats coming, I told you about the tunnel rats from American team.
Coochie tunnels Coochie tunnels Coochie tunnels
So they before they get inside, they will put lots of leaves on the door to come and flash. And they come in and they raise the door like this and they sit down and shut the door. Make sure the leaves still stay here. And they disappear. They know where the entrance because
Yeah.
they will make the mark on the tree
Okay.
around here. Yeah. This entrance connect to the first level. You come here. Sit down here. Sit down.
sit
Yes.
be careful and sit
Sit down. Put your legs inside. Put your legs inside. Can you come? Father, yeah. And put your body inside.
you're going inside यश आ जाओगे हम खींच लेंगे
It's okay.
You
Go
can stand.
Slowly.
Like mouse.
no
No.
nothing
Now,
go
go. Slowly. Okay. Keep going. Yes. And now, can you hold this? Hold under the door.
go inside
Yes. Okay, I say I count 1, 2, 3. You get up, okay? Go, close the door.
close the door yes
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
आजा
ऐसे करके हाथ से सीधे उठाता।
आजा बाहर,
बहुत हो रही है।
आजा बाहर, आजा आजा। नहीं निकल पाऊंगा बाहर। क्यों?
क्यों नहीं निकल पाएगा?
Animal trap. You know they use this trap to catch the animal, tiger or bear. And during the war, they make this trap in the jungle to catch the enemy, American soldier. Normally, they put lots of the leaves, the grass here. And American, when they walk, they run in the jungle. They don't mind their step, right? They will push one side of the trap, another side swing them,
Swing it
अंदर
again.
हुआ है, कांटे
cover
हैं।
your body, and you will fall down inside to the spine.
देख
You
कांटे
feel,
हैं उसके ऊपर।
you see the spine there? Made from the bombshell. They also use the bamboo to
ये
make
ऐसे
the
करेगी
spine.
फिर बंक है वो।
This trap is about 2 meters deep.
So they have recycled everything to make their traps.
Yeah, they will make the spine from the bombshell. And not only the spine, they also put the poison on the spine. Snake poison, scorpion poison. If they don't have the poison, you know, they use anything. Shit. Even the shit or urine.
Yes,
One
दोनों
of
के पकड़े हैं।
the horrible thing American very scared about Vietnam is the shit in the jungle. By this tunnel, you know, because they want to bomb the gas and toxic inside. Like they shut the door to isolate that part of the tunnel, and
We are right now walking over the tunnels.
Yeah, they escape to another side.
नीचे सोच, पूरी की पूरी कॉलोनी है, रास्ते ही रास्ते बने।
हाँ
नीचे जमीन के
जमीन के
नीचे
अंदर।
ये क्या है?
ये
और
भी
एक
तो
टनल
अंदर
का
जाने
रास्ता।
हैं, सब टनल के।
ये पहले पानी हुआ करता था।
नहीं,
फुल।
ओके मम्मी नीचे नहीं उतरना।
हाँ मिल गई भाई।
This is also the real size of the tunnel. This entrance used to be smaller and now it's bigger, and you can see behind you there is a way. You see, that is the fighting trail. Gorilla, they dig it so they can move along this trail. They wear the uniform, the green one, same color with the leaves to camouflage. So they're moving and they hold the guns in their arms and they shoot the enemies on the way they go, and they get in. If you go this way, you go to Saigon River, about 300. This is the model of the gorilla. That is their uniform. Green uniform, same color with the leaves. If they go out of the jungle, they don't wear this uniform. You wear this uniform, they know that you are a gorilla. So when they go out of jungle, they wear the casual clothes and they breathe under the bamboo.
So if we just like break this surface, then we'll see a whole civilization over here.
Yeah, so they have to make many fake ones. American, they try to find the real one. you
उधर
know?
जाना है शायद।
They use the animals to find the real one. Especially
वेंटिलेशन है, ये
which
वेंटिलेशन है
animal?
ये तो।
Which animal?
सांप के बाबू
Yes,
जैसी लग रही है।
dogs. They use the dogs to find the smell of the gorilla. They buy the dogs from Germany, you know?
German Shepherd.
German Shepherd. They buy 3,000 dogs from Germany. You know how much does it cost one dog?
How much?
$1,000
$200.
US. $1,000 US. And they buy 3,000 dogs. They bring to Vietnam and train them because German Shepherd dog very smart, easy to train them. So they train them to find the smell of the gorilla here. So when the dog comes here, they just smell American smell. Put everything with American smell here.
अब ये क्या आवाज आ रही है?
वो कहीं पे शो चल रहा होगा।
The uniform, the shampoo or soap or perfume, anything
And
from American
What
body.
is this? Is this the first line?
Just a rough.
टैंकर आ गया।
This is American tank, M41. American, they bring M41, M43, M48 tank to Vietnam. About 4,000 tanks to Vietnam.
बारिश।
We put far away from each other, about 200 meters. Put the spike in
ना
the
इसमें
wall,
गिर जाते हैं ना।
and the tray is coming up. Imagine your leg look like a stick. You push the tray, 1, 2, 3. And the spike come out and stick your leg. It means sticky trap. It's impossible to take your leg
पैर में आ
out.
जाएगा।
You have to cut the spike.
Yes.
And you bring the Vietnamese souvenir back home. Of course, not as nice as the one you buy in the shop, in the market.
Yes.
Secondly, clipping armpit trap. You fold down at the middle.
हाँ,
And you show your armpit, right? And the spike stand up and strap your armpit. It means clipping armpit trap.
So this used to happen in Americans or Vietnamese people?
For
Americans.
Americans, Vietnamese
For
use their
Americans.
brain and they made all those things.
Armpit is the most sensitive part of your body and it's very hurt. Rolling. You fall down to the middle. The more you're shaking, the deeper and deeper you are. It's impossible to get in or get out. Because if you want to get in, you move down and this one rolling down. If you want to get out, you have to move up and this one rolling up. You have to stay still.
Yeah.
But if you stay still, you're bleeding too much.
Yes.
You also die. Window drag. So first of all, you shut the window. And the Americans walking here and their leg gets stuck in the window. Just like the picture, you see. Get stuck there. Folding chair. It looks like the mouth of a crocodile. Now the mouth is opening. And when your leg inside, the mouth shuts. And cut your thighs. Swinging is the same with the first trap. This is a fish trap. This chair will be put in the rice field or in the river. Just like you catching the fish. Here they catch the enemy. American walk in river, they don't see the chair. They step inside the chair, you see? And the middle spike will strap their foot. And when they try to take the leg out, but it is impossible. Many spiders around the chair will tear the thighs. You have to cut your leg. That's why after the war, there are many handicapped people. Scissor trap. So you fall down here, you push one side of the trap, another side swing up and strap your body. And when you are at the bottom, this one keeps swinging and strap you many times. You cannot get out. This one, come on. This one, they use the rope and hang it on the trees and swing it to the enemy. Swing there and swing back, swing there and swing back. And this one is the door trap. When Americans come to the people's house to fight guerrilla, they never knock at the door. They will kick the door. So if they kick the door, the trap is falling down. Stay away from me. The trap is falling down. Imagine you are the American and you're standing here. What will you do? What is your first reaction?
Run away.
You try to protect yourself,
Yes,
right? You
with
try
your
to
hand.
stop it. But when you stop, you just stop the front. How about the bottom? It's still moving.
It's still moving.
Because it's separated. So it's on the way down and you stop the front.
And it's on a
this
very
one
high speed than this.
Swing up. Huh?
It's on a very high speed than this speed. Which you're...
High speed, yeah. And swing up. And strap the bottom of your body. The bottom of the man's body, very important. No children after this. Had to come to Thailand, you know. But please don't think this trap are hard.
उसमें ऐसे कांटा को बिछा दिया ऊपर से ऐसे
Military workshop. It is a bunker they used to make the weapons. It used to be covered. But now they open and make the room for tourists to visit.
ऊपर ही रहना है मम्मी, तो ऊपर रह जाओ.
Now you step. You ready? You know what are they doing? They try to cut the bomb. I told you they want to take
Recycle.
the gunpowder out and make the landmine.
Oh.
But when they cut the bomb, this man touched the bomb to make sure it's not hot. If it's hot, he will pour the water on the bomb to cool it down. You see, if they are not careful, they're gonna be exploded. This girl, she's sharpening the bamboo to make the spike in the trap.
There are girls also in this war.
Yeah,
Yes.
girls, boys, old people, or students, kids. And what is this guy doing?
Heating, making fire.
Yes, he's pushing the air and make the fire. So this guy, he can sharpen the metal. He sharpened the bombshell from this shape to this shape and until they have this shape in the trap, you see. With the bamboo, you don't need the fire, but with the bombshell, the metal, you need the fire.
And what is this?
This is a cluster bomb and landmine. Every bunker will have two ways. One entrance and one exit. Exit connect with other bunker. And if they hear the sound of the bomb, you know, and they will be quickly escape to the another bunker or second level. the height of the bunker is just like my height, over than my height a bit, so I can stand up in the bunker. But you are taller than me, you cannot stand up. You have to sit down on the hammock all the time. It used to be cover, okay, cover, no roof at all. But nowadays they make the roof for children.
Yes,
What's
yes.
for what?
कवर करते थे.
काश मैं कर पाता. ये असली गन.
यहाँ पे शूटिंग रेंज है, आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो.
असली गन से नानी. यार मेरे को भी असली गन चलानी थी. मजा आता बड़ा. मैं तो सबको डाल दिया है. वो सब
असम में पीठा बनाती है ना, वो चीज है, उस पर डाल देगी ना पतला पतला, फिर इसको रोल कर देती है ना, उसके ऊपर
Steam,
बनाते
steam
हैं.
in the hot
हाँ,
pot.
स्टीम कर देती है.
Yeah. Under the blue pot is the water. She's steaming in a few seconds.
सिमर कपड़ा है वो.
And after that, put it here on the bamboo and dry under the sunshine. Yeah. 3 hours drying.
बहुत पैसा बना दिया इसकी.
चावल का है ना.
This bamboo is light and easy to carry, so they use bamboo a lot in Vietnam. And this one, we make the spring roll. We put the salad,
स्प्रिंग रोल वही तो है ना.
in the middle, and we roll it. We eat with the fish sauce. Look at her! Look at her! She's rolling and lifting.
What is that? Okay, right?
And put this on this bamboo.
हम लोग भी बनाते हैं.
Bãi mất tiêu rồi.
चावल के पापड़ है ना.
Come on, chị. So after drying, the paper looks like this because of the bamboo. So there are the shapes here, bamboo shape. And when you make the roll, spray the water to make it soft a bit. And this is the Vietnamese rice wine. Our rice wine is stronger than Japanese rice wine. Or they show you how they dig the bunker, the tunnels.
With
In the
bamboo.
daytime, they will live underground. At night, they go out and they
Is
dig the
that
tunnel.
actually very deep or?
This is the second level. That's why it's very deep. So they have the small group of 3 people, 5 people. This group is 3 people. 1 girl, 1 boy, and another boy down there.
Oh.
That boy, he's gonna dig the tunnel by the hand shovel. And he put the soil into the bamboo basket. And this guy, he used a stick or the rope to pull the basket up and hands the basket to the girl. And the girl, she will carry the basket to the river and throw it there. Or she carried the basket to the bomb crater and she threw there. Or the air ventilation, she
Yeah.
make the air vent, the tube. And they dig it hands by hands, years by years. This is the sandals from the truck tire, car tire. Very thick and very durable. It can last about 4 years, 5 years.
Very heavy.
Heavy. But it can protect your hands as well when you crawl on the ground.
अच्छा, हाथ में भी हाथ भी रख सकते हो उसे.
No, don't try. It's small one. And this is the one they use. Actually, you see, it's different, right?
Yeah.
Different style, different. Here,
Different, yeah,
here, here, here. Why they make it different? Why is
So
that?
that they cannot
ये
track
हाथ
the
का है ना ये. ये पैर
footsteps.
का ही लगता है.
Footstep? Yes.
Yeah.
Normally, you wear how you wear. You put
Yes.
your foot
Right.
inside. And when you go this way, your footprints moving this way. How about this one? If you want to wear, you have to turn it upside down.
Yes.
And you put your foot inside. So if you go this way, your footprints moving this way.
Backwards.
So if the enemies follow this direction, the trap's waiting for them. And gorilla is kept already. You see? The longer you stay in the gorilla team, the more skills you will have. But firstly, when you enter the team, they're gonna teach you 3 big rules to survive. Number 1, you go without any trace, no footprints. You see the go. Follow him. Wait.
Going inside tunnel. चल तेरे लिए तो इजी है, मेरे लिए मुश्किल है.
अच्छा ऐसे चलना है.
झुकते जाएंगे, कम होता
ये
है.
तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ये कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मुझे. आप ठीक हो?
हाँ चल.
ऑटो
You can
sit down.
Okay.
Yeah, put the foot in. Yeah. Go.
Wait. I'm scared alone. Don't leave me.
No, nobody is leaving you.
वो मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
Keep going.
Wait, very scary. Leave me all alone.
Hello.
I'm coming. Where are you?
Let's go.
Are you here? I'm not.
Let's go. Let's go.
You are there?
Go straight, go straight. This is another way.
तो मैंบอกไปเลย
Come here.
Hello.
You okay?
Scary.
Scary.
Very scary.
Oh, look at me. I take one for you. Nice.
Oh.
This tunnel is bigger for you already. 30% bigger.
Yeah.
The real size is even smaller. Yeah. This is bigger.
Oh.
Look at me.
नहीं.
पानी चला जाएगा अंदर बारिश में
हाँ.
नहीं है
क्या बनता है?
अच्छा ये तो है
From medical room, it connected to the meeting room. 20 meters. From meeting room connected to the kitchen.
Oh my god.
वहाँ से यहाँ से निकलता देख.
ठीक है. यहाँ पे कौन है?
वो टनल है ना, उसकी एंट्री है.
चलो बंद.
नहीं, तुझे जाना थोड़ा सा अंदर तक जाके
वो
देख ले.
डरावना है लेकिन.
हाँ.
ऐसे पीछे से फोटो खींचो मेरी.
हाँ जा.
ऐसे. क्या है ये? ये क्या है?
मीटिंग रूम ऊपर पढ़ो.
पानी आ रहा है नल है
You can wash your hands if you want.
हो गया बढ़ गया बंद
Try. आजा. हाँ. डाइनिंग रूम
ये वो सेम ही
सेम ही है.
एक्चुअल में ऐसा होता है.
I'm going inside. I'll go see.
Okay, go inside and go this way to the kitchen.
Okay.
अच्छा चीज बताओ.
हम्म.
ये एक्चुअल में ऐसा होता है या फिर बना दिया?
एक्चुअल में ऐसा हुआ करता था. कितनी खुदाई कर करके बनाया उन्होंने. आजा आजा आजा.
Oh my god.
यश यहाँ स्टेप है. वॉच योर स्टेप.
आप रिकॉर्ड कर ली ना?
हाँ आजा. Oh, there's a kitchen here,
Oh my god.
and then we have
What is this?
चूल्हा.
ये
वो भी रास्ता है.
Go second level.
Oh,
You come there?
yes.
Come there. See the underground well.
Oh, this is the well.
वेल का क्या होता है?
पानी के लिए बेटा, खाना बनाने के लिए पानी चाहिए.
बहुत डरावना है ये.
सोच लोग यहाँ रहते थे अंधेरे में.
This is terrifying and depressing.
There was no light, right?
Light, they use the oil lamp.
Oh,
Or they use the flashlight they stole from Americans' dead body. Try this one. This is the fruit gorilla eat
इसको कर बैम्बू
a lot during the war. This is the gorilla root. Tapioca root.
tapioca root.
This is the root.
This is the root.
This is the salt, peanuts, and sugar.
ये पीनट है वो ये क्या है
Tapioca root. Root.
Tapioca.
हाँ हाँ.
बैम्बू
It tastes like.
Tastes like potato, but this is another tree. Tapioca. Or cassava.
अमेरिका का ट्री है.
शकरकंदी है
Cassava.
Yeah.
They just cook once in early morning, and the smoke coming out looks like the mist.
So that's the kitchen, and here's the
So
chimney.
what's
Oh wow.
the use of mist?
So
क्या डोसा बन रहा है? देखो.
तो ये लास्ट बोट राइड. लास्ट बोट राइड है. कल हम वापस घर. No more boats, no more sea. Only sun and it's heat.
Nice raining.
Nice raining.
क्या पता बारिश होगी.
Let's hope for that. मौसम तो खैर यहाँ पे भी बहुत बेकार है।
चाहे यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर कम है लेकिन फिर भी धूप होती नहीं है,
हाँ
ऊपर ह्यूमिड ज़्यादा है।
हाँ
पता नहीं कैसे टेम्परेचर कम है।
जो भी है बढ़िया।
तो कल 28 डिग्री था।
जाओ।
Even the water is not sweet anymore, but they still use it to make the caramel.
बहुत हैवी हो गया है। 2 बॉटल है ना इसका, जल्दी ले लें। ये कोल्ड ड्रिंक की बॉटल ले आई थी ना होटल से,
अच्छा
वो तो पानी की जगह वही पी रही है।
हाँ सही है, अलग पियो, जो अलग मिल रही है चीज़,
हैं?
अलग सी चीज़ मिल रही है तो वही
नहीं,
पियो।
वो पानी की जगह अच्छी लग रही, मेरे को तो अच्छी लगी।
ये पता नहीं कि बहुत मीठा मीठा सा लग रहा है।
रश किया है।
Traditional tune. It's not sharpening, but it's strong. And you just need to brush 3 times, 4 times, and you remove the shell. Even the woman can do it if you know how to the angles to remove. And the shell. They will collect here and they recycle. They use this fiber to make the carpet or the rope. And we sell it to Korea. Korea use it to cover the hills, the mountain.
पूजा वाला ना गया ना।
See, he break the coconut. The water, we use it to make the caramel for cooking. Nice color. And he used that knife again and removes the flesh.
मैं तो पूजा वाला ना गया ना।
तो नारियल ऐसे ही होता है,
कोकोनट
कोकोनट भी से नारियल यानी हिंदी।
निकालने का
See,
तरीका दे।
just remove. And the shell, we also recycle. That one, we put it in the fire for firing. And the flesh, we put it here. Grinding. After a few seconds, you collect the coconut flesh and you put it here to crush to make the coconut milk.
जूस बन जाएगा मेरा, जूस बन जाएगा।
Coconut milk coming
ड्राई
out.
करेगा ना, कोकोनट जूस निकल आएगा ड्राई।
This is the coconut milk they sell to you in the supermarket in the can.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is the dry one. So without this machine, this one, you know, how we do at home without this machine.
मलाई में दूध होता है।
This
coconut
spoon
milk
at
है?
home, we use the knife. You cook coconut milk here. 45 minutes cooking, 70% coconut milk, 20% malt. Malt.
Oh.
M-A-L-T, malt.
माल्ट।
Malt is kind of sugar.
माल्ट शुगर नहीं होती जो टॉफी में
But
डालते
it's not the white sugar.
हैं। Yeah.
And 10% is other ingredient to make different flavor. Here they have peanut flavor, chocolate, coffee, pandan leaf, taro, durian, jackfruit. 45 minutes cooking. After cooking, they put candies here to cool it down. This is the special cloth. Not sticky at all. You see?
Yes.
And cooling down. This is the peanut flavor. You can try. They just cook it, so it's still soft and warm.
थोड़ी सी खानी है।
पीनट फेंको।
Peanut flavor. And after cooling down, they cut the candy. Cut the candy and put candy in the frame. And they use the big knife to cut into the small shape. And they hire people to wrap the candy for them. The people here can be their family members. Have to have a small
अपन
shape.
बनाते नहीं हैं।
कोकोनट की मिठाई बनाई है
And they bring it to the local market to sell. Some other products from the
अलग अलग फ्लेवर की हैं ये। जो फ्लेवर डाल दिए वो है।
ये देख, हाँ ये देखो, ये वही आम है। मैंने उसको पूछा था, बोलती है यहाँ पे हर तरह का फ्रूट सुखा देते हैं, यहाँ से खरीदो तो फ्रेश रहेगा।
We can try other flavors here.
नहीं
Which
चिपक रही।
flavor you want? Durian, ginger, liver, peanut. You try already. Chocolate, coffee, taro, jackfruit. 100 days. Snake in the rice wine for 100 days, and they drink it. Tastes like whiskey.
You can taste this?
Yes. Banana wine, 45,
Snake wine.
40% alcohol. 45% alcohol.
Oh,
Coconut wine, 29%
अल्कोहल यही पीना है, पागल है क्या? वाइन है।
coconut white is the fermented coconut water.
Can we taste this one? Coconut one? Coconut वाला है.
कोकोनट वाइन
नहीं.
स्मेल भी दारू वाली आ रही है इसमें हैं नानी को बताना है
नहीं, नानी को नहीं बताना है.
वही दारू वाली स्मेल आ रही है इसमें आपको आ रही है
29%
कड़वी है क्या बहुत
coconut white.
कौन पी रहा है?
कोकोनट वाइन
कौन पी रहा है?
इतनी सी ली, इतनी सी.
Coconut.
Oh, is it coconut wine?
बहुत कड़वी थी
This one is snake wine.
Oh, no. Okay.
हाँ.
बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा
हाँ.
Only coconut wine.
Fermented coconut water. 29% alcohol. Okay. Before you can
मधुमक्खी है ये देख
It's very small bees, right? Honey bees. There are 3 kinds of bees here. Worker bees, queen bee, and male bees. Mostly worker bees, you see. Worker bees is smallest bees in this bee's hive. And male bee is bigger a bit than worker bees, and queen bee is longer. The longest one, biggest one here. But there is only one queen bee here. And if there are 2 queen bee, they're gonna fight. So one have to leave.
Yeah.
And half of the worker bees follow her. And this worker bee, they have to do everything in the bee's hive. Every day, they have to fly 6 kilometers, 7 kilometers to the flower and take honey back here and put the honey in the honey. Give me your finger.
Oh.
The-
पकड़ो.
Okay.
It's not going to bite
आराम
me.
से आराम से
Lick it, lick it. Fresh honey.
क्या है टेस्ट इसका?
हनी है?
Honey.
इसको खा
You know. In the sunny day, the bee is okay to touch. But in the rainy
The bees are going to die. They'll die.
they die. Oh, they drown.
Yes. This is chocolate fruit.
Vietnamese chocolate. Have you heard about this Vietnamese chocolate named Aluvia? Aluvia chocolate.
Oh.
Our
इससे
chocolate.
कॉफी नहीं बनती
इससे चॉकलेट बनता है.
वही तो वही
Come try chocolate.
हाँ, देख शायद दिखाएगी.
वो पता है क्या होता है कैसे बनता है चॉकलेट क्या होता है पहले ना उसको पूरा मिक्स करते हैं शुगर के साथ
हम्म.
फिर
This
ग्राइंड
is the
करते हैं
name of this bee farm. BZ farm. BZ farm.
फिर वो ग्राइंड करते
Look at the small dog.
अच्छा ये तो यहाँ पर भी ये कोई बात पड़ी है ये कोको
Ah.
Yeah, I
Here's
know
the
this.
seed inside. You know, to
Yeah,
make
I know.
chocolate is
Yeah.
a long process. You have to take the seed out and you ferment.
Mm.
You ferment in the box and you cover by banana leaf and just leave it there for a few days, like 3 days, 4 days. After that, you dry under the sunshine in another 5 days. After that, you roast it, and these seeds become this one. You see, this is sour and sweet, tastes like the mangosteen. After roasting, it becomes this one, very dark and very bitter. This is the 100% chocolate. 100% chocolate always tastes sour and bitter. This one tastes like also like the coffee bean. After they have this, they will crack
Crush
the skin, and they take the seed out, and they will use that seed to make
चीज फैला रही ना
the
कॉफी की
chocolate. You see,
यानी चॉकलेट है ये इससे चॉकलेट बनता है
they
coffee।
take this one only, and they make the powder. That's the powder they sell to you in the market to make the hot chocolate.
Yeah.
And after they make powder, they mix with the butter,
and
peanuts, and all the flavor like mint, coconut, chili, orange, or mango. Here they have coconut flavor, mint, chili, almond, mango, and dark chocolate. You can try.
Oh.
Coconut nice.
Try mint. It's nice. जैश खा के देख, चॉकलेट थोड़ी सी कड़वी है.
Only Vietnam had coconut flavor.
बहुत कड़वी है मिंट वाली.
Chili flavor is very spicy at the end.
कौन सी सबसे कम कड़वी है?
कोकोनट वाली.
Mango is nice too.
मैंगो.
It's a little bit.
She doesn't
She
like
doesn't like.
This is bitter.
A little bitter for her.
our chocolate. Aluvia. Aluvia you can find in the big city only.
Yes.
In the market, in supermarket. And this is the powder, coffee powder as well.
You gave us a
Hot
lot
chocolate.
yesterday. So many flavors.
All the flavor you want.
Orange.
Coffee, orange, macadamia.
Macadamia. This is so good.
Orange nice.
Orange खाओ. पर कड़वी तो लगेगी हल्की सी.
मैंने तो वो खाई थी almond वाली, फिर ये मैंगो वाली ली थी तो मैंने चाकी नहीं,
हाँ,
मैंने
कोई
डाल दी. उसमें से ली थी.
हाँ. सब कॉफीज हैं.
तो फर्जी आ रहा है.
This is the ginger honey.
My mother did
Ginger,
not like
honey.
any. No, she did not enjoy any of these.
Come to the back.
मम्मी आओ.
They sell.
They're selling. Oh.
You want?
No, we want for free.
Oh, they have the big one. There.
Yeah.
Nice one.
We weave it and make it.
Coffee.
वो बहुत कड़वा हो गया. चलो ये देख लिया. अच्छा अंदर जाना है जैसे.
They have the bison here as well.
नहीं.
Oh my God.
That's
It's a
the
big
thing.
one.
Python.
For making wine?
No, the wine they just use the snake.
Ah,
Bison not used for wine.
well then.
They just use it as a bat, you know, bats,
maybe
dogs,
Oh.
cats. Yeah. They raise them from the little bison, and now it's bigger.
So they're friendly. Oh, that one is shading skin.
7 years old,
That
6
one's-
years old, 5 years old.
What's this animal?
Pigeon, the bird.
What's the use of this?
Just a bat.
Yes, पकड़ना.
When the bison changing the skin, they don't touch the bison because the bison is more sensitive,
Yeah.
more painful when you touch them. You see,
This one is
changing.
shading.
Yes. When they change enough,
He's friendly. It's
they suffer.
Aww.
See, he's fine.
Okay.
They don't bite. They just lie.
You hold them neck here.
You can hold your hand.
Hold the nail, the tail.
Like that.
Yes. Raise it. Yes.
They're very friendly. Look at camera, John.
फोटो क्लिक कर ले.
See?
You're scared? So soft. That's okay.
New skin. That's why softer.
That's okay.
तो पहले नानी को तो खूब डराता था.
You say?
Yeah. You want to put it around?
You know, he's sleeping with me
Oh.
in bedroom
Oh.
when he's young. But I have young brother.
This is the
Yes.
water coconut.
We went.
देखा था ना मोटर.
You can call it the sea coconut.
Ah, yes. We went to see this coconut garden. There in Da Nang. Hoi An, yes.
देखिए ना छोटा सा.
Ah.
ये फूल में इतना सा ऐसे छोटे छोटे कर. मैंने कहा ना एक एक के अंदर एक एक.
Also bring the
Tiny.
ये तो पक्का नहीं होगा.
खाओ.
कच्चा है ये.
peel off the skin.
हाँ.
Longan.
आगे चलो.
चलते रहो.
अच्छा इसी का था वो.
हाँ.
बीज निकाल के कोकोनट उसमें वाटर में
हाँ
डाल
हाँ.
दिया.
हाँ.
बहुत टेस्टी है तो. ये चेरी है.
हम्म.
चेरी है वेरी है.
पता नहीं.
चेरी है.
पता नहीं.
ये तो बहुत पेड़ है इसके देख सामने ऊपर पे.
हम्म.
बहुत टेस्टी है. लीचू को माफ कर दिया.
ये इधर. Orchids.
हैं?
ऑर्किड।
ऑर्किड है ये?
हाँ
अच्छा। Ôi, con 4 khách rồi. Đâu cô?
मम्मी सीताफल का पेड़, सीताफल का पेड़ देखो।
हैं?
सीताफल
सीताफल के पेड़ तो बहुत है।
मैंने तो पहली बार देखा।
अरे उज्जैन में अपने घर में ही था।
नहीं याद मुझे। चलो बुला रही है वो।
Chào bố. Bố ngồi đâu cô?
आ जाओ आ जाओ।
You should eat the sour fruit first. After that, eat the sweet one.
Okay.
Because if you eat the sweet one first, this one is even more sour. Number 1, no. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jackfruit, and this one similar.
Chiku है.
Chiku.
Saponinga. We call saponinga. It's good one. Good one. Pineapple, dragon fruit, watermelon, and this one is jackfruit. 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 It's also sweet.
This one also from wood, and this one from python skin. Python. Yeah. Why is it not soft then?
It's a dead python skin. That's why not
This
soft.
one, of course, but this one can make the sound nicer.
Yes, that's what.
From
It's,
natural.
this is a cover on the wood. It will feel. You can feel the skin over here.
And this is a fit drum. Fit drum. You put it at your foot,
Ah.
and when you play, you crash it and make the sound. The drum. Fit drum. This one looks like the violin.
Yeah.
Normally the violin you put on your shoulder to play. This one you put on your lap, your thighs. I call it the Vietnamese violin.
Okay.
आराम से शांति से धीमे धीमे.
Yeah, look at me.
इधर देख.
Look at me.
इधर देख.
रुक तो जा.
इसको हटाओ यार ये
Nice.
जा तू भी जा. चप्पल देख के गिर गई तो मिलेगी भी नहीं. बैठ जा. बैठ के जाना है, राइट करना है तो फोटो के लिए.
नहीं नहीं इसमें बैठ के जाना है.
अच्छा.
बैठो. अरे
It's okay. It's okay.
आराम से ताजमहल के टाइम उन्होंने बग्गी इधर से कर, इधर इस साइड से.
करने दो उसको, जहाँ से उसको ठीक लग रहा है करने दो.
इधर से नहीं हो पाएगा.
वीडियो बन रहा है।
Oh, it's raining. Market.
Anything here for you?
तो देख लो।
नहीं वो रहा चश्मा देख रहा है।
Thôi dọn dọn nhanh về đang ăn chứ để hơi trễ á. Chứ bà Duyên từ từ.
इस पे देख लो पर्स अगर कोई पसंद आए तो।
है तो सबके पास तो वही डिजाइन है।
देखना
दिख रही तेरे को?
अंदर की तरफ देखो, बाहर तो मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखा। हाँ यहीं से घुस जाते हैं, कहीं से भी घुसे, निकलेंगे गेट नंबर 7 से तो वो हमारा रास्ता। हाँ कोई नहीं, इससे चलो गेट नंबर 7 पीछे होगा ना फिर।
गेट पूरा
हाँ तो उधर होगा फिर 7
आगे है।
हाँ हम एक गली और आगे से आते हैं, हम पीछे से आ गए। चलो
वो है काम करके आते हैं।
हाँ चलो। हाँ हाँ यहाँ से भी निकल सकते हैं।
सामने चले जाएंगे यहाँ से।
हाँ
तो मांगा भी नहीं है, बेचारे ने चश्मा मांगा तो चश्मा हुआ ही नहीं।
आ जाओ।
ये फ्रिज मैग्नेट है जी, बेकार है।
हाँ, ये
पेन
नहीं, उसको ऐसा ही कुछ चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ लेके जाऊंगी।
हमें दो।
एक क्या लाइन लगी है।